Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's IDEX Traded here, okay? With a little update on what the heck happened today, okay? I know a lot of you traders are fairly new, like maybe a year, maybe less than that. I don't think you guys are familiar with what's called trade war. You guys might have heard about it, but you know, Uncle Trump put us through it. But before I go any further, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and smashing that like button. If not, comment down below and let me know what it is you're coming here for and what it is I need to help you fix. Because at the end of the day, that's what you come to YouTube, right? And then don't forget that option trading and stock trading is very risky, and you should consult with a professional. That this should be considered as entertainment use only, okay? I'm an entertainer. I'm here to make you laugh, okay, baby? Now let's get it. Well, you know, make you laugh and understand what the hell happened today, okay? So back to the whole Uncle Trump, baby. I missed that guy. But now we got Grandpa Biden, okay? So Grandpa Biden came in what was called the capital gains tax hike plan today. I mean, you know, hey, I wasn't even expecting it. I was like, yeah, AMC is going to go this way. It's looking nice. I like the consolidation. I got IDEX. I got Cleveland. I'm like, yeah, you know, it's cool. I got some Snap. Well, Snap's slapping right now. But those other three, yeah, they got clobbered because of this right here. Let me tell you what happened. So after we, you know, Biden's capital gains tax hike plan. I mean, stocks raise, modest gains, you know, on the Biden capital gains tax plan. At the end of the day, that's what it came down to. I mean, no one wants to get taxed. So what they're trying to do is they're like, well, we'll apply more tax, and then we'll make all these other guys like, you know, because they already know that most of you investors are short term, and you guys are like, I need my money now. I want to make money quickety splickety. I'm trying to be out of here in a year. I want to be a billionaire. Doesn't work that way. That's why they're doing stuff like this. So you guys stay the course. So with the hike long-term investments, okay, which would hike the rate on long-term investments from 20% to 39.6%. So basically 40% for those earning $1 million or more, among with a 3.8% surcharge to help fund Obamacare. You motherfucker, man. Yo, I want you guys to understand that this is not my personal opinion on the right or the left, whatever you guys want to call them. This is just some stuff I put together on what I read. Okay, I just pieced it together. So just don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to tell you guys what happened. I'm trying to explain. After all this, I'll get into, you know, what the war is going to be about, because that's what it's going to be, baby. It's going to be a war again, okay? So the federal and state combined capital gain rate would often top 50%, including in New York and California. The Biden capital gains tax proposal shouldn't have been a surprise. Okay, I was waiting for it. It's in line with what President Biden said during the 2020 campaign. Some Wall Street strategists also expected an eventual plan to be watered down. The Biden capital gains tax hike plan wouldn't affect holdings in pension funds. Oh, thank you, sweet babies. Retirement accounts and anyone who isn't a millionaire. So the share of a stock shares, oh man, I just hit one too, subject to the higher tax would be relatively low. Okay, so that's not too bad. The Biden plan would be only a modest tax hike on investment. Oh, modest. Yeah, I'm lit right now, so just roll with it. Investment held less than 1 year, which are taxed at normal income tax rate. These currently top out at 37%. Still a capital gains tax hike. Yo, babe, I gotta get my wife in here. She needs to break this stuff down for you guys. Okay, so she's campus, guys, so you gotta deal with me. Never mind. Tax hike would make stocks less attractive. President Biden also has proposed hiking the corporate tax rate to 28%, which, yeah, okay, from the currently 20%, though there are indications it might end up at 25%. So this could explain why we've been seeing a lot of red days. You know, remember these big funds, these family offices, and then you got these fund managers and all that, or these hedge companies. Well, I mean, they knew this was coming, so they could have already been liquidating on all these high-flyer assets to try to hurt us a little bit. That's tinfoil for you guys right there. We'll go over that another day. But, okay, so the public supports higher tax on corporation and capital gains for the wealthy. Yeah, so we could thank everybody. You could thank Damn it. Americans favor lifting the corporate income tax rate at 28% by 65% to 23%. They backed an unspecified capital gains tax hike for millionaire households, including 75% of the self-described investors. In near term, a sharp capital gains tax hike could spur heavily selling by wealthy investors with long-term holdings. Yo, babe, I was just talking about that, man. My wife don't know a lot, but she's able to slap some stuff together that she can find online. I was just talking about this, girl. Okay, so let's go. However, it's possible a capital gains tax hike would be retroactive to January 1st, 2021. If it is, that would make any tax-related selling this year irrelevant. Yes, okay, so that's good, babe. That's what she was telling me about. Okay, shh, don't tell nobody. Okay, the Biden capital gains tax hike would help finance the president's third huge spending package, following the 1.9 trillion stimulus and a proposed 2.2 trillion package of infrastructure and more. Investors bid up stocks in early 2021, in part due to massive fiscal stimulus, but tax hikes are part of that. Now I think she understands, okay? Because my wife, me and her had a big argument because I'm really not for all this stimulus being pumped in. I mean, I understand that we got people unemployed, we got people in poverty, so let's help them out. Why the heck is it that we had $8 billion get, stolen by criminals? I mean, come on, dude, are you serious? And they made it easy. Like, it's like, well, I looked at some of the articles on some of this PPP stuff and this EDD stuff, and like, man, like even now, like I see a lot of people still need help with this. So I'm gonna make a video. If you guys need help, drop a comment down below, and I can hook you guys up with some EDD and some PPP stuff. Okay, I'll help you guys out if you guys are kind of buying, because I want to help the ones that deserve it. We got these criminals that $8 billion, bro. You understand? $8 billion. Oh my. Damn, man, that pisses me off so much, man. I want to go. Okay, so the Biden capital gains tax hike plan rained on what was looking to be a solid season. Yes, it was, okay? It was looking pretty good today, man. I was like, yes, the Russell was closed at its 50-day line, man. We were slapping it. The Dow Jones, the S&P, they remained near, actually, it wasn't too bad because, the S&P remained near record highs and are now a little closer to the 50-day line, which is looking good. That's what I want to see right there. After coming close, because, I kind of was saying we needed to slow down because we were going a little too hard. So this is a little breather we need right now because we were almost overextended, okay, in recent days. Yeah, the NASDAQ is trading within its recent range. The Russell 2000 is close to its 50-day moving range. That's good. That's good. My girl's getting good at this stuff right here. Some lending stocks, notable chip plays, took some losses Thursday. Oh, yeah, I felt my Facebook. And then yeah, Google, Cat. If you guys don't have no Caterpillar, you guys should definitely add that one to your list. Snap stocks rallied over, they're still slapping on the after hours. Yes, my thing killed it today. I smacked it on Snap. My Cleveland plays are going to play out tomorrow. Okay, let's go back over. Twitter's getting it, yes. All climbed slightly overnight. Facebook dropped, okay. All in all, it wasn't too bad. Everybody's freaking out and going like, just relax, okay? You know what I did when I went? I went, and then I was like, okay. Let me go look for some deals. Okay, let me see how much money do I got. Okay, cool. I got this much. I'm going to go about 400 of this. I'm going to go put 200 of this. I bought more AMC today, too, okay? Because once that it didn't go the way I was planning, I was like, all right, well, cool. I'm just going to buy some more. You know what I mean? Because I knew what happened wasn't correct, okay? Because my support was right on point. Okay, this is some BS. What happened today? It shouldn't have dropped anything lower than my support. But you guys be ready for tomorrow because I believe this is gonna be like, dang. But yeah, it's kind of hard to explain how the trade war was if you guys weren't there for it. Like, man, it was vicious. So just be ready for it. Okay? I'm out. I got to go look for some stuff to pick up tomorrow, I'm going to make a video kind of explain to you guys how I find the stocks that I am going to follow. I use Twitter a lot. I use Google, okay? Hashtag money sign, okay? That's a hint. Use that. That'll help you out a lot. I'm out, baby.